Has back pain and weakness kept you from having fun? Even the most determined people can stop trying new things in the fear of hurting themselves beyond repair. You may believe you're protecting yourself from further back pain, compounded injuries, or worse yet, ending up completely out of action, flat on your back. But you also know that your fear of these things keep you stuck in your life, and it can feel punishing. I'm Tammy Wise, author of The Art of Strength. In my book, I talk about how mental stress turns to physical tension, especially in the back muscles where your central nervous system lives. Don't let your pain lead your life. Instead, resolve the underlying fears that keep you in pain. Chronic pain, more often than not, starts from mind-body misalignment, meaning you're aligning with the fear of pain rather than listening to your pain's deeper meaning. To resolve the pain and anxiety that stops you in your tracks, discover the secrets of mind-body misalignment. I invite you to book a one-on-one free consultation with me to explore the secrets that may be trapped in your specific back pain. And we'll discuss whether you'd be served by my upcoming online program, The Art of Strength Deep Dive. This single session will offer you insights about how your physical posture or habits could be leaching strength and vitality from your back's health, whether we decide the program is right for you or not. And you'll walk away with one action toward a pain-free tomorrow. Just respond to this post with free consult for pain relief, and I'll send you the link to my calendar. I look forward to chatting with you soon. Bye for now.